Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a very quick water landscape, a bit of hills and a bit of sky. So I've mixed up a sort of a greyish colour out of ultramarine, cadmium red, a little bit of alizarin and a little bit of light red oxide. So I'm just going to sweep in the hills, just letting the paint do its thing. There we are. I'm going to make that a little weaker, put some more water with it. See how that's much weaker? Put some clouds in maybe. Bring it down to the horizon a bit. That is burnt sienna. It's a bit wild, isn't it? So we'll put a bit of umber into it. A bit of the blue, darken it down. Just graze it out a little bit. We're going to bleed that up into there. For the time being. Cerulean, Cobalt Teal, quite strong. So we've got a sort of a sandwich going on. That's okay. Just going to dry this. And go in with another layer. Going to darken it down a little bit. More of an umber. A little bit of ultramarine blue, darken it down. Bit more ultramarine blue. Mix a little bit of greeny for the water back there. Take some of this grey, just for the clouds. Now we don't want those hard edges, so we just bring a damp brush underneath, take them out to the edge. And a bit of a ultramarine cobalt. Got some clouds making some shadows across the water. Might bring that down to the front. Tidy up some of the edges. Might just do a slightly little bit of detail for the sort of centre of interest. And that's my tiny little quick sketch. Just tidy up the edges. Hope you enjoyed that. It's just quick and easy to do, few colours on the page, nothing too epic, just to enjoy a few moments of painting. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.